steel chain conveyor belt. It is widely used in our PET bottle washing line, special for big capacity washing line. High durability, high temperature resistance running, low peak capacity, easy to maintain, etc. Waste PET bottle after put it in the steel chain conveyor belt, it need manual cutting the wire iron and remove it. Of course, we also provide fully automatic wire collecting and roller machines. The Bale machine. We use a horizontal design, which can efficiently depressurize the bottles, allowing for uniform and continuous discharge of material. The depressurized bottle allows for better cleaning and separation of impurities. We also supply a vertical Bale machine model. Use horizontal model or vertical model. It depends on customer actual situation in factory. Screw loader, made of high quality stainless steel, durable using, loading bottle to next process. Trommel separator machine. It using special processes by forging, annealing, and galvanizing and so on. PET bottle trommel separator machine is a type of equipment designed to separate different materials based on size and shape. It uses a rotating cylindrical screen, also known as a trommel drum, to separate materials into various sizes as they pass through. Smaller materials labels, caps, etc. pass through the screen, while larger items, such as the bottles themselves, stay inside. Magnetic roller belt. High-speed rotation separates metal and plastic bottles, uses a wear-resistant rubber belt. Automatic scale system. Automated weighing system is an automated device that performs real-time, continuous, or batch weight checks on materials or products without manual operation. Screw loader. Loading bottle to next process. Pre-sorting, manual sorting table. Manual sorting the PET bottle at first, remove some green bottle, brown bottle and other waste plastic, like HDPE bottle and so on. Screw loader. Loading PET bottle to next process. PET bottle steam hot washing machine. Used for the initial cleaning of collected waste PET bottles. Removing surface impurities such as mud, dust, light oil stains, and label fragments. Provides cleaner and more stable raw materials for subsequent crushing, hot washing processes. We also supply the large model water treatment circulator system for bottle pre-washing machine. Screw loader. Loading bottle to next process. Economic model high-speed bottle washing machine. We also supply it. High-speed rotor, pre-washing the dirty bottle with water, remove the sand, soil, label again. Machine rotor shaft with blade, tungsten steel material, before bottle into label remover machine. It will remove some label. Wastewater will be recycling filter using the bottle washing machine. Screw loader. Loading washed bottle into PET bottle label remover machine. Label remover machine. It is an essential of machine in recycling to efficiently remove labels, caps, and other non-plastic materials. The blades are made of tungsten steel. One set blades can process 2,000 tons of waste bottles, which can reduce much costs for customers. We use large cyclones to collect the labels, eliminating the need to clean the label collection belt daily and improving work efficiency. In addition, our equipment uses a hydraulic system to open, which makes it very easy to replace worn blades. Our label remover machine, one set max to 6,000 7,000 kilograms per hour. We can custom the more high capacity for customer if they need it. Screw loader. Loading PET bottle to next process. Vibrator machine. Vibrate the bottle and loose it before bottle into automatic bottle sorting machine. Improve sorting efficiency through vibration separation. Automatic bottle sorting machine. Automatic PET bottle sorting machine is a sophisticated system used to sort and separate PET bottles from other materials in a waste. It utilizes advanced technologies like sensors, cameras, air jets, or mechanical separation systems to automatically identify, classify, and sort PET bottles based on specific characteristics. By near-infrared near sensors, optical wording cameras, air jet, high efficiency, accuracy, improved recycling quality, and labor savings. Usually used 2 to 3 set automatic bottle sorting machine in PET bottle washing recycling line. Rubber conveyor belt, loading bottle to manual sorting table. Manual sorting table commonly used in recycling and waste management facilities for sorting materials by hand. Typically consists of a long conveyor belt or a stationary surface where workers can visually inspect and sort materials as they pass by. Rubber conveyor belt. Feeding bottle to crusher machine. It can rotate clockwise or counterclockwise. Plastic crusher machine. Plastic crusher machine is a type of equipment used to break down or shred plastic materials into smaller pieces, typically to recycle. By high-speed rotating blades and cutters that shred the plastic into small particles. A blade used DC53 material, etc. Good time for running and less sharpening. In addition, we use hydraulic system to open the machine, allowing for quick blade replacement. For safety features, we have incorporated limit sensors, among other things. Screw loader. Collect crushed flakes and loading it up for next process. Made of high-quality stainless steel, enabling fast, high-capacity loading flakes to float washing tank. Float washing tank with reciprocating model. Float washing tanks are typically made of stainless steel, offering superior durability and resistance. It used to remove surface contaminants from plastic and separate other impurities. Our float washing tanks feature a multi-axis reciprocating design, enabling efficient separation of PET, PE, PP bottle caps, bottle rings, and other non-PET materials. Screw loader. Loading washed PET flakes to next process. High-speed deodorant machine. Used to remove residual moisture from PET bottle flakes during the washing process, improving the efficiency of subsequent processing. High efficiency and energy-saving automated operation, reduced manual operation, and stable equipment operation. PET hot washing tank. PET hot washers are used for deep cleaning of bottle flakes through high temperature, chemical additives, and agitation. Through hot washing, remove adhesive residue, oil stains, beverage residue, label adhesive, impurities, and so on. Screw loader. Loading hot washed PET bottle flakes to next process. Automatic inverter control speed. Cold water washing tank. Further washing the flakes, chemical neutralization of the alkaline solution in the hot washing pot, and improvement of flake quality. Screw loader. Loading flakes to next process. Inverter control the rotor speed. High-speed ordering machine. High-speed rotor the shaft. Friction washing the PET flakes with fresh water. Get better flakes for next process. Cold water washing tank. Utilizes water flow, agitation, and float sink separation to remove detergent residue, dissolved adhesive, and remove a PP, P-label, and so on. Screw loader. Loading PET flakes FTO next process. Cold water washing tank. Repeat washing the PET flakes again. Remove a remnant waste in PET flakes. Screw loader. Loading PET flakes to next process. High-speed ordering machine. High-speed rotor the shaft. Friction washing the PET flakes with fresh water. Get better flakes for next process. Fresh water spray washing tank. Internal water spray pipe is installed to spray and wash the bottle flakes at high speed. The friction between the flakes removes impurities. High-speed friction washing machine. With 700 revolutions per minute friction washing the PET flakes. Again. High-speed ordering machine. Used to remove residual moisture from PET bottle flakes during the washing process, improving the efficiency of subsequent processing. Hot air dryer. By electric heating or steam heating, down the moisture in PET flakes. The zigzag label separator machine. Using airflow and gravity separation principles, impurities such as powder and labels mixed in with PET bottle flakes are separated. Second zigzag label separator machine. Two-time separation process efficiently removes impurities, which benefits the subsequent operation of the automatic sorting machine. Screw loader. Loading PET flakes to next process. Vertical metal detector machine. Vibrator machine. By metal detector machine and vibrator machine, remove the PET fines, improve the quality again. Eddy current machine. Eddy currents are circular currents induced within a conductor by an alternating magnetic field. These circular currents generate a magnetic field opposite to the original magnetic field, thus producing a repulsive force that removes metal. Eddy current systems can efficiently remove residual metals, such as copper, aluminum sheets, and weakly magnetic stainless steel. Elevator loading machine. Loading PET flakes to next process. Automatic color sorting machine. Using an infrared system and an optical camera, high-speed images are captured of different colors. Automatic PET polymer sorting machine. By using infrared technology and a high-speed optical camera, PET material can be separated from other impurities at high speed. Further improving product quality and increasing purity, we recommend all the customer use the automatic sorting machine. Pneumatic packing silo. Double bags packing the PET washed flakes. Improve packaging efficiency.